Hello, my name is Camille from a company Pump Technology Limited, and we're here today to talk about our DrainMajor Duo range. And in front of us we've got the DrainMajor 60 Duo. It's a twin pump system. It's our level entry twin pump system, and we pride ourselves on easy maintenance and servicing. With this system you have 4 screws on each lid, thumb screws you just take off and you can gain access into the twin pump system. The features with this unit is that you have unions. You can undo the pumps and take out for maintenance purposes, clean around the bottom of the strainer of the pump and just generally just give it a service, and it's very easy to access. It's very important for when it comes to installing the unit that you have inlets coming in both sides of the tank that allows both pumps to work, so one isn't lying dormant for a long period of time. The process of this, and the reason why we made it up, was for the space of the unit. It's compact, it's tight for a twin pump set. If there's a problem with one pump, this pump, say for instance, wasn't pumping, water level would rise. It would indicate in one of the finger floats inside the tank for the high level alarm, for the dual high level alarm. That would sound to say that you have a problem. Water would rise, go through the baffle plate into the other pump system. That would then activate and pump away. The high level alarm would still stay on and keep a constant sound to say, come and check me out, we have a problem. With the Duo system, each pump has its own separate power supply. It would be a 13 amp unswitched fuse spur for each pump, and the dual high level alarm would be a 5 amp unswitched fuse spur. Other key features worth pointing out are the non-return valves on the system. There's 3 of the units, so if you do need to access one pump and take it out for maintenance or servicing purposes, then you won't have any backflow going back down into that system. And also we put a non-return valve on the outlet for you as well, again stopping any water coming back in. So it's a very secure, tight, safe unit and reliable in that respect. Also the lid seal is durable, hard wearing, and keeps the lid firmly secure in place. It's not flimsy, it doesn't move, especially when you tighten down the four finger screws. The key factor of the DrainMajor range, the Duo range, our minor range, is we've designed the tanks to be from a material of polyethylene. We believe in trying to be environmentally friendly as possible, and that's why we've used this type of material. It's recyclable after its use. You can easily clean the tank and then you can recycle the product. The other beneficial side to using this particular material is inside you'll notice it's quite a clean, flat surface. Actually, if you're in a greasy kind of environment, the grease doesn't build up all around the tank and all over the place, but it will reduce down with the water level as well. Ultimately, you should have a grease trap of any greasy products coming in, but that does help with the maintenance side of it. As I briefly mentioned earlier about the dual high level alarm, I'm going to go into a little bit more detail about that now. Obviously, it being a twin pump system, if one pump fails for any reason, water level rises, it will indicate into one of the 2 finger floats that we have in the tank, one each side. That will then connect back a signal to the dual high level alarm, sending off about 85 decibels. And then water will flow through the baffle plate into the other chamber, and then the second pump will kick in as a twin pump set. The alarm will still be sounding to give you indication to come and check out the product and to see what the problem is. On my right hand side is a display board of different options of high level alarms that we have for all of our range. The one that I'm pointing at the moment is the DrainMajor Duo high level alarm. Comes complete with all the DrainMajor Duo range. As I said to you before, I want to give you a little bit more of an indication of the decibel, the noise that you would hear, the light indication that you get from the high level alarm. Again, as I said, if one pump fails, water will rise within the system. It will go through the baffle plate into the other pump system. Before the other pump kicks in, the high level alarm will activate, and if you can just listen to this. Indicating onto the high level alarm, that will still sound for a period of time. There is a mute button that you can then turn it off and mute when you know there's an issue with the system to do service and maintenance on the product. The beneficial thing with our dual high level alarm is that they have fault free contacts, which means that you can take a connection back to your building management system. So if the high level alarm does sound, and then you can trace it back to a different alarm system within the building that would indicate that you have a problem. The optional extra with the Duo system and all of our range of drain minors, majors and duos is the safe flow. The safe flow is the same principle as the dual high level alarm, works off the finger floats inside the tank. If there's a problem, will indicate a high pitched noise, but it has the added benefit of solenoid valves. So if you have a dishwasher or a washing machine and you want to basically stop the incoming supply, water supply to the washing machine or dishwasher, our solenoid valve will do that. What actually happens is the finger float will sound there's a problem, high level alarm, it will indicate back onto the safe flow. In turn, that will close the solenoid valve and stop any water supply coming in, so that it doesn't flood the tank out. If both pumps were down and you still had an incoming main, there would be a big problem. Hence why we've designed the safe flow as an additional extra. That was an insight to our DrainMajor Duo range. Hopefully it's been informative and gave you a little bit more information about the power connections, the dual alarm that comes with standard, and the additional extra of the safe flow that you have with the solenoid valves. Thank you very much for watching. My name's Camille and I hope to talk to you soon.